So I thought I'd shoot a little video and show you all how my new device works. This is the first blending of this. It's just dates. I'm making a date paste, and you can see it's not well blended because it's supposed to be completely smooth. And it was working for a minute. And I added some more liquid because it seemed to be kind of stalling. And I tried to get it going again, but I don't know if you can see. It's not working. Nothing's moving, nothing's turning. And this is only the second time I've used it. So, my advice, of course, is not to purchase this item. I thought it was going to be cool and convenient and, you know, all-purpose tool here. But I haven't even gotten to use all the tools, and it's already stopped working. And yes, everything is locked in securely, or it would not even come on. But it won't turn. Yeah, the safeties wouldn't even let it come on if it wasn't all assembled together properly.
This is a hand blender here. It comes with 5 different speeds. It also has a turbo boost with it, and it's very easy to assemble. All you have to do is pop this in, and it'll snap right there like so, and it's together. Now it also comes with a whisking piece here also that you can use that, but I'm just going to use just the blender here, and hopefully I'm not going to splatter this all over myself. So I'm just going to hit the button here. Just making up some homemade sauce here with some cheese in it, and it's mixing it just fine. This is great for using in if you want to mix things, smoothies, different things like that, soups. And I'd say it's very easy to clean up and works great.